go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see.
What's up, guys? So I'm here with Eayon Hair once more today. Same packaging as last time. So we have the wig here. And we got a booklet, you know, good for directions, like, you know, how to care for your hair, all that stuff, installation, you know, social media information, all of that. So that's good. Also got a wig cap, and that's what's in today's package. For today's wig, we got this gorgeous body wave, but what's so special about it is that it's a crystal lace front wig. All right, so you know that, gonna know, so that's my favorite hairline at the moment, my favorite lace front. You know, crystal lace fronts are doing it. It has a whole 30x6 parting. On the sides it gets more, you know, a little shorter with depth, but in the mid portion it's really deep and nice. It does come pre-customized, so you know it's already pre-bleached and stuff, and it is definitely pre-plucked in the front. With this kind of lace, you know, it lays thinner, it looks flatter, it looks more realistic because they don't put as much hairs in each hole on the lace. So you know, it lays way flatter than a regular lace front would. Inside of the cap has a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back. So it's a standard cap construction. It didn't come with like a pre-part, so you feel free to part it anywhere you want. It is a natural 1B color, and it's, you know, the regular standard body wave pattern, curve pattern or wave pattern that it came with. It is 20 inches long, by the way, guys. 20 inches is very nice and full. It's 150% in density, and yeah, it's a nice little way, you know, cute vibe. So let's go ahead and put this on. Once I slipped this wig on, I couldn't help myself but admire the hairline. It is absolutely realistic, and again, I must commend yet another hair company on doing such an amazing job with making the hairline look super realistic. I mean, it's a given with crystal laces, to be honest. If you get a crystal lace and it's bulky, and you know, yeah, you gotta return it. Like your crystal lace, if your crystal lace is not looking like this, then something is wrong, okay? This is how it needs to look. You know, it's perfect. It's not overly graduated, it's not overly bleached or anything like that. It looks amazing. And right here I was just showing you that whole pullback vibe. And so once I was doing that more, and when I applied my adhesive, which as you can see is my got to be, I realized that, you know, I really didn't want to do any edges. I didn't want to do a baby hairs or swoops or anything like that. I just want that nice natural pulled back look, you know, to just look super realistic. And that's what I did. You see that further down. And I mean, when this takes way less time, I know not everybody you know, is very much into like the whole edge look and stuff. So if you're not, then this is your wig, this is your kind of lace, because it looks really good and it's timeless. So, you know, if you have an occasion where you just want to look super natural and, you know, like that girl, then yeah, you need a wig like this. So I just went in, removed the excess lace, and you know, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. And oh, I decided to do a side part today. You'll see it in a bit. And I did highlight it a little bit too light, so that's the only thing, and that's totally on me. So don't come for me with that. So I suggest using a concealer closer to your skin tone. I got carried away, I'm gonna admit. Okay, I got a little carried away with the highlight on the parting, but that's pretty much it, you know. And it looks so good, so good, and it's a really nice deep parting. So definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken.
I went ahead and redefined just in the front here. It looks so good. And I'm keeping the rest because I love the fluff. So you guys saw I did absolutely no baby hairs, no swoops. You know, for the girls that I always hear that they go to the hairdresser, get the edges done so nicely that they love, but they can't do it back. So sometimes I just can't bother to do it, none at all. This is your wig. This is your wig. You don't have to do any baby hairs, nothing, no sideburns, nothing not there today, nothing. Super minimalistic, super easy to work with. This did not take a long time for me to install. It's a 10. It is a 10, Eayon. Eayon, you did amazing on the hairline. It's very realistic. It's not too deeply plucked. It's not casty. It's very believable, and I love that, and that's what I look for. That's what we want in a wig, right? So go ahead and check out my description box for all the details on this wig. The link, if you're interested to purchase it, is also down there, so check it out. Okay, Eayon, you did amazing on this. It's perfect. Love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's wig look. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Check out my vlogathon series going on right now, Sumerthon. It's lit. It's vibes every single day. So subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and just, you know, support your girl. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Adventure.